everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today we continue working with the mittens. This is how they look like after the cutting. I've stitched the both edges of the camera. This is how they look like now. Next, I need to drape the stitched edges. I need to pull the threads in order to do it. Make sure that the gathers are even. Gather the seams in such way that they are even to the ones which are not stitched. It would be also okay if you make the stitched sides a bit shorter. You are the ones who are in charge. This is how the draping looks like now. If it was not a mock-up, but the actual garment, I would have been more accurate. Next, I need to do the same thing with the other edge. Watch what I'm doing. Be very careful. Make sure that you don't break the threads when making the gathers. First, I need to make sure that the both edges with the draping are even. After that, I'll make the draping more beautiful. This is how the details look like now. Next, I need to fold them face to face and start taking them. Make sure that the edges are absolutely even before you start taking. I remind you that I'm making a mock-up. When making an actual garment, you should double the seam either with the interfacing material or a ribbon before stitching. This is very important. The seam has to be made stronger. Watch what I'm doing. I'm taking the seam with the tiny notches. As I've already said, the two edges shouldn't be stitched together before being draped. Stitch them separately, gather each of them, and only after that stitch them together. The draping wouldn't look good in the other case. I'm sharing one of my sewing secrets with you. This part should be tacked and stitched just like a dart. I remind you that in my case, the seam starts not from the very top. Let's have a look at what we got here. If you stitch each of the sides separately, the draping looks much better than it does if you stitch them together. Next, I need to tack the inner seam. As I've already said, this seam should be doubled either with the interfacing material or a thin ribbon. This technique is very useful. The both seams should be edged with an overlocker.
Сам шов вот этот. А этот тоже можно на верлаке обработать.
Before edging this seam with an overlocker, you should iron it. Make sure that you iron just the very edge. Don't iron the drape detail. It wouldn't look good in this case. I can try the mitten on. I need to turn it right side out in order to do it. Be very attentive. I remind you that I haven't tacked or ironed the mitten. You can make any draping you like. I don't recommend making it bigger. Just remember that practice makes perfect. Find what you like better. Such mittens would look good with different coats and jackets with shortened sleeves. Make them of different colors, try combining them with different accessories. It's up to you whether to drape the mittens or not. I remind you that there is no draping in this seam, just in the outer one. I recommend everyone making such mittens. Long gloves are not suitable in the modern age of the smartphones. We, modern people, can't live without our electronic devices. This is why this technique is very useful. I've showed you the pair of the long gloves which I have. I've put them on just twice since I bought them in 2014. I prefer mittens or regular gloves. It's at least possible to take them off quickly. That's all for today. Don't be afraid of experiments, and remember that practice makes perfect. My name is Paukshte Irina. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.